How to create and share the Google Drive forms. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create and share the Google Drive forms, it is quite simple. So to get started with, first of all, open your Google Drive. Tap on the plus and the new button which is on the top left and then click on Google Forms. Once that is done, it will open a new tab. Thereby, you have to now create your form by giving its title, description, and also the questions along with the options. Once that is done, you have set up your questions. Next up, you can go to Settings tab and make all other changes that you want. After all is done, tap on the Send button and you can either add the emails directly or what you can do is make other changes from this form as well. Next up, you can send via the link as well. Click on the link tab and after that, you have to first of all copy the link. You can even shorten the URL. After that, you can copy and send it. Or if you want to directly share it via the Google Drive, it is possible as well. For this, go to the Google Drive again and then find the Google form that you just created. Click on the share button and add the emails. Or you could just share the link with anyone. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.